If you're looking to use AI to create LinkedIn content that stands out, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to craft posts that grab attention and drive engagement. No fluff, just the essentials. First, let's start with the basics. The power of AI for LinkedIn content lies in its ability to save time while producing high-quality posts. Whether you're looking for thought leadership, quick updates, or engaging questions, AI can help you draft and refine your ideas in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Now, the first thing you want to do is define your content goals. What do you want to achieve with your posts? Are you trying to establish authority in your industry? Are you looking to spark discussions or just share updates? Your AI-powered posts should align with these goals. Once you've defined your objective, move to brainstorming. AI tools can generate content ideas based on your target audience and interests. I've tried several of the most popular options, and the software we'll be using today does an excellent job of generating ideas that fit the LinkedIn audience: professional, concise, and engaging. The next step is crafting your post. AI can help generate the first draft quickly, but remember, it's essential to add your personal touch. AI can provide structure and suggestions, but the human element, your voice, your perspective, is what will make your content stand out. You can ask the AI for multiple variations of a post, tweak the tone, or ask for certain keywords to be included, making the content even more specific. Once the content is drafted, the AI can also help you refine it. Ask it to optimize the post for engagement by suggesting improvements to the headline or the call to action. A great call to action on LinkedIn is crucial, whether it's asking for comments, encouraging shares, or directing users to your website. Next, let's talk about how to keep your content relevant and timely. AI can help you identify trending topics or suggest relevant hashtags. You can use AI to monitor industry news and recommend what's hot right now, allowing you to jump in and create content that's highly topical. Another cool feature you can take advantage of is AI's ability to help with visual content. While the focus here is on writing, you can use AI to suggest image ideas or even create simple graphics. LinkedIn posts with images see higher engagement, so this is a useful step. Remember, the AI tool you're using can analyze your past posts to identify what worked and what didn't. It will suggest post formats, word counts, and the best times to post based on performance data, which can make a significant difference in your content strategy. And here's an exclusive tip. I'm recommending a software that's been specifically built for creating high-quality LinkedIn content that stands out. It's a tool I've used myself, and it has an amazing free trial exclusive to viewers of this channel. You can follow along with the exact tool I'm using by checking out the link in the description below. So, the key takeaway here is this. Using AI to create LinkedIn content that stands out is about leveraging technology to craft posts that align with your goals, resonate with your audience, and get engagement. But don't forget, AI is just a tool. Your unique voice and perspective are what will ultimately make your content shine. Let's quickly recap. First, define your content goals. Second, use AI to brainstorm, draft, and refine your posts. Third, optimize your content for engagement, including call to actions and trending topics. And lastly, make sure you take advantage of the free trial in the description to follow along and get started creating standout LinkedIn content today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.